Hi guys, I am sitting in BLT F7. It's devil cake. Love the presentation. Yes, thank you. Is it nice to make a
Bite?
Still hadn't hit me. It's okay. I absolutely loved the triple cheese loaded fries. Hated the soup. Loved the soup.
No.
Everything is perfect. Well done. Perfect. Top notch. Is it? It's good, or is it mind blowing? Is it nice? This is really good. गरम केक है और सब ठंडी आइसक्रीम है. So hot. It's really good. So the food at BLT was excellent. Loved it. The quantity was really good. The quality was excellent. Definitely recommend it if you are to come here. Try out the triple loaded fries. The soup was okay. I wasn't too much of a fan of it. I did have a little. I tried the soup. It wasn't that good according to my taste buds. I didn't like it as much, but loved the fries and loved the chicken tenders as well. Devil cake was also really good. So highly recommended. Do try it if you come to BLT. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it too. But this isn't my last trip to BLT. I'm definitely gonna come again because there's so many more dishes I haven't tried out yet and I really want to. So big thumbs up. Well done. Really good. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, comment, like below, and I will see you next time in my next video. Take care. Bye.